Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we're here and we're gonna hike Brokenhead wetland. So we're gonna go hiking at this place, Brokenhead wetland. Very cool. I've only went hiking once before, so it's fun, but you know it's tiring. So, and my Lola's here. Okay, so I think this is where we're supposed to go walking. Whoa! Whoa, this place looks so cool. It's like a, this is very cool. We should have brought pepper spray or something. Wow, so nice here. I hope there's no bears around. Nature is very beautiful. Whoa. Now there's less trees. We can see light, more light. Two benches. Whew. How was it? Very sweaty. Okay guys, so we're now finished the trail and now we're gonna go to Grand Beach. Are you ready, Kian?
Yeah!
Let's go to the beach!
Let's go to the beach!
See you guys there! Look guys, there's a fish. Oh no, it's a dead fish. Oh no, it's a dead fish. Ah, that's sad. Look, there's another one. So much is dead. Dead fish. Whew. So much dead fish. Whoa, another dead fish. The birds are eating it.
Another one there.
Look at that one. Another dead fish. Oh, there's a big one. Hey. Whoa. I go. Whee! Oh! No, it's gonna be a hard time trying to go down. Looks like everybody left. Where's everybody? Okay. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see more videos, then press the like button and subscribe. So, take care and be safe, and see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye!